Latest evidence of an increasingly Atmanirbhar India flexing its economic clout. As India celebrated the golden festival of Dhanteras on 30th October, came the news that the Reserve Bank of India had brought more of the country's gold back from the strong rooms of the Bank of England in London. According to data released by the Indian Central Bank, the RBI continued to add to its domestic gold holdings this fiscal year, bringing more than 100 tons of gold back to its own vaults in the first 6 months. The RBI had brought back just around 5 tons of gold in 2022 to 2023. Last fiscal, a decision was made to use domestic vaults instead of the ones in London, and 107 tons of gold were brought back in 2023 to 24. This fiscal, in the first 6 months, 102 tons have already been brought back. The RBI, in its half-yearly report on management of foreign exchange reserves, has also said that it added more than 32 tons of gold to its total holdings. The RBI's gold holdings as of 30th September stand at 855 tons. Of this, 510 tons are stored domestically. 314 tons are with the Bank of England and the Bank for International Settlements in New York. A little over 20 tons are held in gold deposits. Just like last year, the gold was airlifted in complete secrecy. Reports say special aircraft were involved in the mission and thorough security arrangements were in place to ensure details did not leak out. The Finance Ministry had to also exempt the precious cargo from taxes. In part, the decision to bring back the gold was spurred by the West freezing Russian assets after the invasion of Ukraine. This created uncertainty over the sanctity of sovereign assets held overseas. Other reasons include the high storage and insurance costs RBI pays to the Bank of England, among others. The RBI also diversifies its risk by storing its gold hoard across various locations. It will also be easier for the RBI to diversify its foreign exchange holdings. The situation today is a far cry from 1991. When India was embarrassingly forced to pawn its gold with the West. The economy was on the verge of collapse with forex reserves at $600 million, barely enough for 3 weeks of essential imports. India had to pledge its gold reserves and had airlifted 47 tons to the Bank of England and 20 tons to Switzerland. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.